Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is the Managing Director for Pivotal Metals, Ivan Fairhall. Ivan, how are you today?
I'm excellent, Shay. Thanks for having me on.
Well, of course you're excellent. I've just seen the results, the announcement that you've put out to the market today. Mate, there's some really juicy numbers in here. Talk me through them.
That's right. Another day, more results from our Horden Lake Project. As promised last time, lots of results to come, and they're sort of coming out thick and fast at the moment. So today we put out results from 4 holes. There's a few different takeaways you can take from these. So let's start with the headline results. The shallow drilling, 10.2 metres at a beautiful grade of 2.3% copper equivalent. It's in a wide, almost 30-metre section of over 1% copper equivalent. It's shallow, 75 metres down. So this was infill, so it sits within that open pit section of the deposit, and pleasingly, the mineralisation was wider and higher grade. The high grade zone was higher grade than what the resource model predicted. So, we've got a like-for-like increase in tonnage in this area, I think, when we come to update the resource. So that's just a really lovely hole, indicative of the shallow part of the resource that we see here, and that's sort of why the open pit's such an attractive part of this project. Looking deeper, we drilled sort of 3 holes, a couple of infills, step out, 2 holes in particular on one section, 102 and 104, and you've got continuity of mineralisation down now, 270 metres defined in drilling. You've got the wider zones, you've got the higher grade cores grading 1.2 and 1.4% copper equivalent. So it's a common feature of deposit to see the wider intersection with a higher grade section that has the semi-massive and the massive sulfides. So, and coupled, as we have done before, coupled with a couple of the holes we've done downhole EM. So 2 holes in this deposit, and the downhole EM, remember, it looks out and sort of beyond the drill hole, sends an electrical signal out and tries to extrapolate where the mineralisation could extend to. And we've got lots of plates that hang off these holes. Plates are how that signal is interpreted. Importantly, the plate that hangs off 104 hole, that links to the earlier plates from 96 and 98, and we've got about 600 metres wide along strike now of very open mineralisation, big plates that indicate the mineralisation extends quite at depth, down to about 400 metres. That's the extent of this plate here, and it's clear to us from results like this that the deposit extends substantially at depth. And you can contrast that against the central zone, which goes down to 500 metres in drilling. This southern zone's only been drilled to about 220, 230 metres. And with these results, you can really see the potential for that to be replicated here, and you can get significant tonnage increases through further drilling.
Now, this project has continued to go from strength to strength. Now, as you just mentioned, this is the results from 4 holes, but you've still got more assay results pending, don't you? So there's still even more news to come after this, isn't there?
That's right. We're sort of only about less than halfway through the hole still, I think. So lots more news to come. We'll be starting our metallurgical test work soon, so keep an eye out for that. And these results allow us to flow into a resource update in the second half of the year. So we're pretty busy. There's lots of information flowing through the system, and lots of news to share with shareholders.
Now, speaking of news to share with shareholders, I believe I'm going to be seeing you later in person this week. Tell me, how can other investors learn about what is happening with Pivotal Metals?
That's right. Lucky 2 times in 1 week, Shay, we get to see each other. But I'll be at Noosa. That's right. Later this week, we'll be presenting at the Noosa Mining Conference. Great conference here on the East Coast. I'd be presenting on Wednesday afternoon. You can catch the live stream of that presentation if you'd like to log on and listen to me explain the opportunity and the investment opportunity here at Pivotal with investors. There's lots of investors in the room, lots of investors online, and lots of market participants all get together at that very important conference. So we're looking forward to getting the story out there.
Listen, Ivan, thank you so much for today's update. I love it when you jump on. We've almost always got good news to talk about, and I can't wait to catch up with you at Noosa. Thanks for being here.
Thanks a lot, Shay. Good to see you.
It's not too late to grab your ticket to attend the Noosa Mining Conference starting this Wednesday, the 17th of July. If you want to come along in person, head to noosaminingconference.com. Click to register your details. If you're attending in person, enter the password mining50 for a significant discount on your ticket. Alternatively, you can register there to watch it online for free. We hope you join us.